5, 6.
What's up, guys? What we are drilling today is the shoulder movements. In today's video, we have 3 drills or 3 exercises. First, we have the shoulders going up, down, and we have the shoulder shake, okay? Then we also have the front to back. We're rotating front to back, and then we have the shoulder raise, which we pop it up real quick. And the third exercise, we have the back to front, and then we also do a shoulder drop. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ceech, I teach, and I make dance tutorial videos. If you find my videos helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because it really helps with the algorithm. My tutorials are dance-along videos, which means you could practice with me as you watch. Each exercise is about 1 minute. Not too long, but enough to build muscle memory. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drill. And if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because building coordination takes time and patience. You'll find my tips and detailed explanation on these drills towards the end of the video. This is where I share specific techniques on overcoming common mistakes. And now, if you're ready, come join me in the drills. Enjoy, have fun, and let's make it funky. Welcome to the review section. Now let's get right into it. In our first drill, we have up, down, and then we have the shake, shake, shake. So the first 8 count, it's up, down. And the second 8 count, we have the shoulder shake, all right? And we repeat that in general about 1 minute, so it's about 12 8 counts total. Now, the first part, up, down, is pretty self-explanatory, but what happens is you definitely want to bring both shoulders up at the same time. So you gotta focus on not going like this, where they kind of come off not together, okay? So really focus on coming together and dropping down at the same time. And when you go up, try to go as high as you can, okay? What I find is towards the end, maybe the 10th 8 count, towards the end of the first minute, you'll find that your shoulder gets kind of sore, okay? So what you can do after you get sore, kind of give yourself a massage, or if you have somebody near you, kind of, ask for a quick massage, rub it down and try again, all right? So now the shoulder shake part, this is where I really need to give you guys some tips, some pointers. So when you're doing the shoulder shake, you're focusing on lining up your spine. So this is not, because we're isolating just the shoulder, right? So we're not doing this. So you're not going like this. And I see that a lot of common mistakes or common pitfalls that a lot of beginning students have is they're doing too much movements where it incorporates the spine as well as the head. So if you're looking at the mirror, if you film yourself or looking at the mirror, make sure your eyes, your head and your spine is aligned and only your shoulder that is shaking, okay? What I like to do is keep my hands, maybe, imagine you have a belt buckle or something like that. Keep your hands in place. So instead of, and I see this a lot where people go like this and they're just almost like they're only focusing on the hand movement. You really got to focus on the shoulder movements, all right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 8, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the spine is straight and only the shoulders shaking, all right? So hopefully you guys have fun with that first drill. In our second drill, we have rotational movement, all right? This is where we're rotating from the front, up, back, down, okay? This is a rotating movement. And we're not trying to make it abrupt, so it's not a heavy drop. It's just a rotation. You're gonna feel, your shoulders getting warm, all right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that was the pace, all right? And then the tricky part now is raising your shoulder up, okay? So what I want you to imagine, or what I imagine, is maybe some tiny drums right above your shoulder and you're hitting it. You're going 1, okay? You're hitting on the beat. Boom, boom, boom. So immediately after you hit, you gotta bring it back down, all right? Because if you keep it up here, if you take too long to bring it down, then it's gonna kind of feel like this, okay? So you gotta hit it, bring it back down, which looks more relaxed here, and then boom, up again, all right? So again, you're going from front to back, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the second 8 count, you're boom, hitting it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And again, obviously we repeat that. So we have the rotational movement along with up. And again, after you do it for a while, it's just like the other drill where your muscle up here is gonna get a little bit sore. So give yourself some time, rub it down, okay? And then try again. In our third drill, we have rotating from the back to the front now. Again, this is just a counter rotation from the previous drill. We're going from back to front, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the thing is, when we're doing this one, right? Again, it's the same as a previous drill where we want to keep our spine aligned, okay? So we're not doing too much body, but just shoulder, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 8. Now here's the transition. You go 7, 8. Immediately I want to bring, here's 8, immediately I want to bring my shoulder up, okay? This is the exact reverse from the other video or from the previous drill where we're going down, down. Right when so imagine the drum now is maybe right below your armpit and you're dropping your shoulder down to hit the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right after you hit it, it comes right back up. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. This may seem a little bit more awkward than the previous drill because naturally your shoulder is, relaxing down here. You're not naturally up here, okay? So in this drill, you kind of have to make a conscious effort to keep your shoulder up so that you can drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's part of our drill, right? So hopefully you guys are able to take these specific techniques and these tips and maybe go back to the drill. Do it over again. Hopefully these tips will help you to become a better dancer, add to your dance repertoire. All right, guys, hope you guys had fun learning. If there's any comments, questions, concerns, just drop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Peace.